God.
Particularly about the countries comparatively
Yes.
to India.
Yeah. So we've all seen the medal tallies, and we definitely know there's a huge scope of improvement. There's one thing that's different that I've seen in India and other nations is that they start from a very young age. They take children from a very young age, and in our culture, it's our country. It's more like the interests of the kids, and then when they eventually want to start, when they want to start or take a career, they then initiate. Then the parents also support. Then the government comes in the picture once they're starting to do good. I think that kind of program needs to be more prominent in our country to be able to actually do even better and win more medals.
And how do you think about the women's safety, particularly in the sports arena? What is our status right now?
So we'll keep
We
it
have
to
seen-
only.
No, we have seen such protests of things before. As an women,
So when we talk about women, I would say that women are like 50% of almost 50% of the population of our country, and I think the basic right for any human being would be the right to freedom, the right to liberty. I think we should all do what we all can do to actually help and make the society even better for women. We all are aware of certain problems or certain situations that are actually very prominent in our society, and we need to do something to eliminate all of that. And I think it cannot be done by just one event or just if one person says something that we'll do something against it. I think it's a duty of every person to do something in accordance to actually see the difference. We all need to step up, and we all need to do what we all can do. So
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir,
Many
this is-
many
sir,
things
one
there
second,
are
sir.